Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study the use of do, does, and did. So let's begin with the first one. Use of do. Now, do, it is the form of the verb to do in present tense. Do is used to express the habitual actions which are the part of your habit. It is used with the pronouns. Now the pronouns with which we use do are I, you, we, they, and if the subject is singular, then we use the helping verb do. We use do to ask the questions in simple present tense. So if we want to ask the question in the present tense, we use the helping verb do. Let's have a look at the examples. I do exercise daily. Now here you are talking about a habitual action. You are doing the exercise daily. So we are using the helping verb do with the pronoun I here. People do a lot of work these days. Now again, this is a habitual action that they are doing the work daily, right? So with people we have used do. Now they do watch movies all night. Again, they are watching the movies all night, that is every night. So therefore we have used the helping verb do with it. Do you like spring? Now we are asking the question. As I told you in simple present tense, whenever we want to ask the question, we will use do with it. Now let's have a look at the second one, use of does. Does, it is a form of the verb to do in present tense. So do and does, they are both used in the present tense. It is used to express habitual actions. Again, do and does, both of them are used to express the habitual actions, the actions which are related to your habit. It is used with the pronouns he, she, it, or nouns that can replace by these pronouns. So basically we are using does with these pronouns he, she, and it, or the nouns, or either we are using them with the nouns which can be replaced by he, she, it. We use does to ask the questions in simple present tense. So basically do and does, both of them are somewhat similar, that they both are used for the habitual actions and they are used to ask the questions in simple present tense, except the pronouns which are used in them. Now examples, he does not want to draw or paint. Now here you can see that with he we have used does. Now she does her job. Again we are talking about the present tense. So we have used does with she. Does she put the keys on table? Now here you can see that we are asking the question, okay, and that too in simple present tense. So we have used does with it. So remember this thing, that it depends upon the pronouns which you are using. Okay, if you are using the pronouns he, she, it, then you will use the helping verb does with it. Then does he gets up early in the morning? Now again here the subject is he, so we have used does with it and we are talking about the simple present tense. Let's have a look at the third one, use of did. Now did, it is the form of the verb to do in the past tense. So do and does, both of them are used in the present tense. Now did is the past tense of the do and does. It is used to express the actions that happened in the past. So whatever the actions have been happened in the past, we use did with it, whatever may be the subject, but we use did with it in the past tense. She did the laundry. Now here again we are talking about the past tense, so we have used did, whatever may be the subject, whether she, my friends, they, I, Raju, whatever may be the subject, we will use did in the past tense. My friends did arrive late. Did they went to the market? I did not understand. Raju did that himself. So here in all the examples you are talking about the past tense. Therefore we have used the helping verb did with it. I hope the concept of do, does and did is clear to you. Thank you.